Hello everyone, this is the first homework video for homework number 22. This is where we are going to be working on translation. So we just need to translate shape A, 10 units left and 3 units down, and the rest. So let's start with A. We need to find A and 10 units left and 3 units down. Here is my A. So I need to do 10 units left and 3 units down. To do that, I am going to choose a vertex. Okay, let's choose this one at the bottom. So I am going to move that point 10 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units left and then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. So this is my point that corresponds to this, the bottom tip of A. So again, I counted 10 to the left from this point and 3 down. Okay, so then from here, I can translate each of the points, 10 units to the left and 3 down. So let's do that. So 10 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 3 down. So this is the top left corner that I've just translated. Another thing I can do is also figure out, since this point and this point corresponds to each other, I know that the third point on the triangle is 1 down and 3 left from this point. So from here, I can do 1 down and 3 to the right, like here. So I have just found my 3 points. Now I can draw this, join those points. And you should be visually checking to see, does that look like this? What do you think? It looks like something is not quite right. What did I do wrong? Look at this. When I look at this looks a little longer than this. What did I do wrong? I did not bring it down by 3. I brought it down by 2. So I was off. So this should be my real point. And this one again should be 1 down. So I need to erase this. So that is the reason visually checking after you think you have translated is very, very important. Okay, so now I can draw this again, join, and see if it looks more correct. Remember, translation, the shape remains the same. The orientation remains the same. It's just the location that has changed. Okay, does this look identical, this shape? Yes, they do now. Okay, now B. For B, I need to do 12 units left and 4 units up. Let's find my B. B is right here. 12 left. So let me start by moving this point at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's my 12. And then I need to do 4 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my point that is corresponds to the top of this tilted square. Okay, and then from here I know that the right point, I know this point is 3 down and 3 to the right. So I can do 3 down and 3 to the right. It's this point here. And 3 down and 3 to the left. 3 down and 1, 2, 3 to the left. And then from the reference point of at the top, it's 6 down. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. So I have just found all my points of that square. Okay, visually check. Does B look like this? Okay, same size, same shape, just different location. Alright, so now C, we're supposed to do 11 to the right and 10 units down. C, 11 to the right, so let's start with this point here. 11 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 10 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 down is right here. So this is the point that corresponds to the right corner here. Right? And then relative to this point, the bottom left corner is 1 down, 3 to the left. 1 down, 3 to the left. And relative to this point here, the top corner is 1 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Is right here. Okay, so now I have my triangle and I can join then D. For D, I am supposed to be using the rule X, Y, X plus 6 and Y is the same. What does this notation mean? That means X is moved to the right. Positive direction for X is moving towards the right. So I am moving, translating the shape D 6 units to the right, but the Y value stays the same because here Y is, there is no change in the Y coordinate. X is changing by whatever the coordinate is, it's adding 6 to it. So that means we're moving to the right by 6. So that's D. I am shifting everything, this triangle, all the way 6 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's this point right there. And relative to this point, this left corner is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Relative to this corner here, the bottom corner is 2 down and 2 to the left. 2 down, 2 to the left. Okay, so that's my D. And I have my triangle. Okay, and then E is 6 units down. Here is my E, 6 units down. That means I need to bring everything down 6 units. So if I was to start with this tip there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be top of my triangle. And again, I can bring this down by 6 units, or I can find it relative to the point that I've just translated down. So it's 2 down, 2 to the right is this point. And this corner is 2 down and 2 to the left. So it's this corner. So I have just drawn that. So I can join my triangle like so. Alright, then finally we have to translate F using the rule X, Y is X plus 15, Y plus 6. That means X value for F, I am translating F 15 units to the right and 6 units up. So that's 1, 2, if I'm translating this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to the right. And then 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this corner corresponds to this point, and the other corner there is 2 to the left and 2 up from this point. So 2 to the left, 2 up is right here. This corner is 4 to the left, so it's this one, and the bottom corner is 2 to the left, 2 down, 2 to the left, and 2 down. Okay, so I have translated all the points, and this is not required, but just for fun, I'm going to try to color again. So here is my translated shape, and what do you think this is a picture of? I see a turtle, so I am going to write turtle right here. Okay, and that's it. This homework is done. Alright, thank you for listening. Have a great day.